Hi guys, today we're going to be showing you how to make this bench out of 2x12 and 2x6. It's super easy to put together if you just need something quick for a space to tie it all together. It would be great at the end of a bed or an easy entryway project. Okay, so I took a couple pieces of 2x6 and I cut out 4 14-inch lengths and sanded them down, 4 5-inch lengths and sanded it down, and then I cut a 40-inch piece of 2x12 and sanded that down. So on the 14-inch pieces, I'm going to measure from the side that I want facing out. On the top, I'm going to measure 1.5 inches in on each side, and then 3/4 inch down from the top. And then I'm going to repeat on the opposite side and the same thing on the other board. Once you have those marks measured out, you're going to pre-drill a hole all the way through each of those marks. Then on the outside of both boards, you're going to use the countersink bit to drill this hole so that the screw will lie flush with the board. Then you're going to take the 5-inch pieces, and along the side here, you're going to measure again the 1.5 inches from each side. And 3/4 inch across. And then you'll pre-drill a hole at each of these marks. Then you can start and screw your pieces together. You're also on one of the 5-inch blocks, you're going to want to measure across 1.5 inches from each side again. And then across the 5-inch piece, you're going to measure to the center, 2.5 and 2.5. And then you're going to drill holes all the way through these, and these are going to be what attaches it to the large 12-inch piece in the end. So now I have one of the legs made, and I'm just going to repeat that with the other set of the 14-inch pieces and the 5-inch pieces. Because I forgot to do this earlier, I'm going to use the countersink bit again to go through, and the 2 holes that you'll screw through into the top of the bench, I'm just going to countersink these so that the screws will lie flush with this as well. Then on the 40-inch board, you're going to measure across to 6 inches and 8.5 inches, and then across to the center of the board. And then you'll pre-drill holes at both of those marks, and those should match up with the holes that you drilled in the top of the legs that you had built. And make sure you don't drill all the way through these holes.